Alright, so we already know how to, distinguish between and declare, to be honest, different data type. And since we got tons of data type, we can actually make a really complex specific data type a customized name. And in programming jargon, we call that aliases. So aliases is just a name like some nickname that we can parcel out to a specific thing that we can refer, but we don't actually want to refer to that very specific data type. Okay, so this is a widely used programming concept in a lot of fields. So I think worth noting that. So what I'm going to do is to just comment out everything here. Don't worry, I'm going to share the code later, right? Don't worry, just go here. I want to explain the aliases. So the aliases is called type aliases. So basically, right, you declare a certain linkage between a certain name that you can do whatever you want. Okay, you can name whatever you want to a certain data type. Okay, so for example, you can say, my favorite animal, my favorite animal, okay, camel case, and then this will be a certain data type. Okay, you just name this, you just create it, like conjure it out of thin air, and that will be a string. Okay, and then you can declare, my pet. Okay, my pet will be my favorite animal. Of course, I will use the favorite animal to treat that as my pet. Okay, so that will be, I'm a cat person. Will be a cat, and then you can actually print it out, my pet, as my favorite animal. Okay, as simple as that. And then you can even print out the data type, but it's a string, right? It's a string. You can actually print it. Let me just show you. Okay, and if you print out my pet, will be a cat. Okay, really, really simple. And of course, if you want to see the exact type, you can actually say type, and then put this inside. And I believe you just need to add a argument type of my pet. And then you can actually see the type of the cat. It'll be string. Just adding another wrapper or another connection. Just name the string to my favorite animal, something like that. Okay. So of course, it's not just about this. You can wrap a lot of really complex structure to the alias. Okay, so I'm going to make it a little bit complex. So once you understand this, once you think this knowledge that you mastered, I'm going to make it a little bit hard. Okay, so let's go.